The Peshawar High Court today took strong exception to the ongoing road closure in the city during a hearing on petitions filed against the disruption that have paralyzed life for the past 3 days. A two-member bench comprising Justice Ijaz Anwar and Justice Farah Jamshed heard the case, with Chief Secretary KP and Inspector General of Police KP Zulfikar Hamid appearing before the court. At the outset of the hearing, the court expressed clear displeasure over the continued blockade of roads across the provincial capitals. Official informed the bench that various points in the city had been sealed for the past 3 days due to protests. The court questioned whether such extended closure didn't amount to a violation of the law and the rights of citizens. When the Inspector General attempted to explain that some of the affected roads fell under the jurisdiction of the motorway police, the court was not satisfied with this response. The judges pointed out that people were unable to move in or out of the Peshawar, and lawyers from other areas could not reach the city for their professional commitment. The court observed that at a time when the province is already grappling with security challenges, adding to public hardship through road closure was unacceptable, and the judges questioned what concrete action the Chief Secretary Khyber Pakhtunkhwa had taken to address the situation and restore normal life. In their remarks, the judges noted a pattern where law enforcement agencies often take a selective approach, remaining passive when action is needed against certain elements but quick to invoke legal provisions when dealing with others. The court emphasized that the ruling party appeared to be causing difficulties for the people of its own province. The judges also drew attention to the fact that while the rest of the country remained open and functional, only this province had been effectively shut down due to the ongoing protests. They highlighted how ordinary citizens were expressing anger over the disruption, with families unable to travel even for essential purposes. The Inspector General assured that the court that all major roads would be reopened in compliance with the court's directive. Following the hearing, he told media that legal action would be taken against those responsible for the blockades, regardless of their political affiliation. However, despite these assurances, the situation on the ground remains largely unchanged. All major and minor roads within Peshawar continue to face severe disruption, and all entry and exit points leading in and out of the city remain sealed. Commuters, patients needing medical care, and good transporters remain unable to move freely. The court adjourned the hearing after issuing its directives, leaving citizens to wait and see whether the promised action will finally materialize and end their 3-day ordeal.